Hey guys, this is Rakesh. Welcome back to our Rakesh.com. So in this video, we want to discuss about the new WhatsApp amazing features and tricks. So what is that new WhatsApp amazing features and tricks in 2021? So don't waste your time and let's start this video. Before we want to start this video, if you not subscribe to our channel, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you get the notification and the new videos. So don't waste your time and let's start this video. So first new feature on this WhatsApp. So you have been facing the so many problems when the connecting to your WhatsApp in PC or using laptop. So when you connected and using the must and should you are on the mobile data, and then only you can use the WhatsApp in PC. So in this new feature we never to on this mobile data, so we can use directly once you connected in PC. So you can use in anywhere, you can stop your mobile data and also you can use in PC your new WhatsApp, so we don't have the data. So this is a really wonderful and using this really this is the most useful feature. So because I also using so many times in WhatsApp and PC, so I facing this problem. Some mobile is on putting on charger in different places or places will be long. So in the time when I stop the mobile data, in that time I disconnected to WhatsApp in PC. So this problem is I will facing so many times, but in this new feature I cannot facing that problem. This is I like this feature. The next feature, disappearing message. This is the most useful feature I think, because when you facing the storage problems in, so some people having a lot of groups and charts, so they chatting the more and they having a more groups and they has give what we call they have in a more photos and videos comes on the WhatsApp. So in that time they facing the storage problem. When you on this what we call disappearing messages, they automatically deleted in after 7 days every message or photos or videos anything. So it's definitely clear the all the storage issues. So if you want to do on this disappearing message, must should you can before they open the chart and click on the profile picture. So then you have some go to the below and they're having a disappearing messages. So I will show on this all the details on right side. So here we have see this, so you can completely watch this full video and you can get it right now. So must should you on this disappearing messages. So and once you can on, you can go and check their profile. So they have a timeline on their profile. So that's thing you have, definitely you have a disappearing message will be on. So after 7 days it's all clear the messages are photos and videos. This is the most useful in feature. So next thing, so recording. So when you want to record any voice to send any person, so in that time in what we call in past they WhatsApp not have to what we call listen and send the feature. So in this new feature they have when you want to record the video and you can listen the audio. So how you can get this audio and you can listen that audio and you can listen 2x 4x speed also you can increase and slow also you can decrease. So this is a really wonderful feature in the WhatsApp. So once you can test this all the success the audio, you can send it right now. So this is the most useful feature. So next feature was I will show, this is the most useful app. So what we call WhatsApp bubble. So I will give on the description link. This is the most useful what we call app in WhatsApp. So if you want to send in a beautiful text or style design photos, you can make the animations of your photos like good morning, what we call, you can have so many features on this app. So once you install this app, I can give on the link description. So open the interfaces. Once you can give the permissions about this keyboard. So once you can give the keyboard, so when you want to type to each other and chat to each other peoples, so must when you type this anything or hi. So we have a lot of features here. Right side have an A option is there right now, that click and we have so many features and here. So select the beautiful text or so many things are there, text sizes or photo, a lot of things is have. So many stickers also is available to make your photo as a like a sticker. This is a wonderful feature in this app. So must you can test it right now. So if you not get it, ask on comment section, I will definitely respond you and you can make the one video about this keyboard. So what we call WhatsApp bubble keyboard, this is the most useful keyboard in I think, I never see in before and past. So okay, this is topic is over. So we can to do move from the next what we call feature. So when the next feature was goes to the storage. So when you want to delete some particular photos or some particular video, so when you want to check go and chart, so which person I can send this video, yeah, forgot. So you can see so many past and before you cannot get it. So I never think this is a photo of this person I will send. So in this facing your problem, so must you can go your settings and go your storage using data and storage. So must when click this person, so click, you can go there, see. So all the videos and photos in when you using the WhatsApp, so all are disappearing there. So must you can select and this you can delete. So our charts also you can delete this all the things when once you are deleted here. So this is a useful thing, and you can clear the storage also here. So this is also useful thing WhatsApp feature. So next and final, the WhatsApp best feature I never see in this. So once you can send any message for anyone, so once they see that message to automatically delete when they come back. So this feature is not available before. So when the WhatsApp beta person is there, they get this feature. So once you can when type to send this message, so they have an one dot, so just click there, and you can have once the person you can see this message and automatically delete that thing. So before what feature has a delete everyone feature, so you can must you can go and delete that thing, but here once you can set time, so automatically it's deleted. So this is guys the most useful features in WhatsApp 2021 new beta test programs also available. So if you not get the future, so you can go and join and beta program. So how to join the beta program, so anyone they don't know, ask on comment section, so I will make as soon as video I can say with you as a personally, so anything. So this is Rakesh. So guys, if you like this video, you can must should like this video and subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching. Okay, bye bye.